This latest recipe, folks, well, it didn't come easy. It was a journey of sorts. And now Howard is going to take us down that crispy road in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
This year, when it comes to summer vacation, we're ready to hit the road. And with international travel pretty much on hold, we're craving new ways to explore our country. And with our national parks being packed, every town and city bustling, that means many of us are looking for something unique to satisfy our taste of adventure. And with food being a big part of our travels, I recently came across something quite fascinating. It's called the U.S. Catfish Trails, where families travel throughout the South, taking in not only the scenery, but stopping at diners, drive-ins, and markets to enjoy a local favorite. Yep, I'm talking about U.S. farm-raised catfish. Places like Uncle Bubba's Barbecue in Hernando, Mississippi, with fish so fresh,
Catfish in the window.
it's practically wiggling. Or imagine a visit to Pat's Fisherman's Wharf in Henderson, Louisiana, where the chef says his catfish is so good,
I'll guarantee you, your lips will be smacking.
as you travel throughout the South, not only will you eat well, you'll also get to meet folks like,
My name is Steven. I'm the owner of Bubba's Catfish in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I am on the Catfish Trail.
and for those of you who can't make the trek, I have an easy recipe for crispy, crunchy fried catfish that's made with this farm-raised favorite. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a trailblazing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.